landmine in the shed.
In our shed?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, you guard left side, I'll guard right side.
Just want to slow this video down a little bit. Look at his head. Now, either Kells or I hit him in the head. That's a headshot. That should be instant death. I'm not saying I'm the best PvPer in the world, but come on. I hit him at least once.
Killed his ass.
Sweet.
Feel like Pac-Man.
Oh, there's somebody to the right.
Keep walking.
Yep. Run, run, run. Run, run.
Are you in front or behind?
I just took off running to the right. I'm kind of like heading back toward... Oh, there you are. Well, that was you shooting. Ha! I thought someone was shooting at me. I thought someone was shooting at me. That's why I was like, run, run. It's like a fight club. Oh, down for the... Whoa, went through the wall.
Run away!
The
When you do
bear!
get to the base, yeah, don't use the staircase.
There's a bear on my ass.
Keep running.
Ah, fucking bear. I'm not quite sure if I'm running east. I hope I am.
West?
I had to run east to get there. Is the moon setting?
Is the what?
moon setting.
Yes.
I can't even see the moon.
Alright.
The base walls are too high.
Okay, I think I'm coming up to a base.
Oh, I see the bear. Yep. Don't go up the stairs.
No, don't. Whatever you do.
Just keep running around.
There's a bear!
Don't run up the stairs.
There's a bear!
Shoot it.
Shoot it.
Run towards the lake.
It's down.
You're good.
Yay!
Okay, well, so yeah, here's how you get in.
That's what you get, bear. That's what you get for following me.
Hold on. Okay, now put your codes in. Yeah, you know, these
Oh, you set it over the internet.
Oh shit.
I guess no sense blocking it now. Maybe nobody's listening.
Actually, stop Twitch and restart it, and then just delete that first segment.
Uh-huh.
Could you stop Twitch, restart it?
You sure you want me to?
Yeah.
I would just change the number. Nobody's watching anyhow. You got one follower and you're in game.
That's me.
Mm-hmm.
I didn't see anybody run out that direction, so. Probably just went in the building. There he is on the right
Moving
edge
out,
of this
man.
building, right here. See me over here to the left? He's right above me. He's in a balcony window right here. Let's kill him.
Let's get him.
Let me go in since I have virtually nothing. He has a gun, I think. I snuck up on him. He's running out with a bow. Marissa? Don't shoot me.
Almost. Blame that on my cat.
There's no need for this violence.
Lay down your arms.
He went in here.
I'm following somebody else.
I really hope you're serious.
Don't shoot him. I think Fox got him on the ground.
I was gonna let him live if he actually did it.
I see one guy make him sing a song.
I'm sorry.
Where'd he go?
Into the building.
I'm hot on his trail.
Mexican Americans love gang fights and movies.
I got him.
Holy shit. Holy shit.
Oh, look at the bear.
Where'd you guys go? Back here? Fertilizer. More fertilizer.
See that guy? He's going near Romero's. Here, let's go at the back door. Is that him over there?
Yep.
Get him, Wolf.
Did you fire a shot?
That was me.